Welcome back to Forgotten Cookbooks, where we comb through old recipe books, teach you how to cook, and introduce you to tips you didn't even know existed or thought about before. Today we are going to make some fast and easy homemade roasted potatoes. So, let's get cooking. Thank you for coming to our cozy corner of the internet, where we dust off forgotten culinary treasures and cooking methods to bring home economics back to the kitchen. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Your continual support and positive engagement is what keeps us going, and it is greatly appreciated. There is nothing better than walking into your home and smelling the aroma of these savory potatoes. Today we are using new potatoes of the Yukon Gold variety. A new potato is the smaller version of a bigger potato, basically the baby version. So let's get started. Put in about a tablespoon of high temperature oil like avocado oil. Olive oil is not a high temperature oil. Put in about a teaspoon of Cajun spice, about a fourth of a teaspoon of pepper, about a half to 1 teaspoon of salt. I don't put a lot of salt in my food, so I will always salt afterwards to my taste. About a teaspoon of paprika. This will help brown the potatoes. About a tablespoon of rosemary, or you could use thyme if that's what you have. About a tablespoon of parsley, dried parsley, and about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Gives it a little bit of a twang. Stir this up a bit. I'm going to end up using 2 tablespoons of oil because of the amount of potatoes I have. So I'm going to cut some Yukon Golds in half, some baby-sized ones. Toss the cut potatoes in the oil mixture until they're covered well. You want these completely covered with the oil, because that paprika is what's going to help them brown up. Just to add a little more flavor, I put some chopped onions in there. You can throw some garlic in there, but I'm going to wait to throw the garlic in so it doesn't get too crispy when I'm roasting. So maybe the last 10 minutes, I'll throw the garlic in. Oh, they're all done. Nice and soft and roasted. Oh, smell aroma. The aroma is just wonderful. So I have these frozen sauteed chopped onions. They're caramelized. They're so good. And you just pop one in, and I have put 2 in that I'm going to toss with this. And I think they'll be really, really good. Thank you for joining Forgotten Cookbooks, the economics class you didn't know you needed. Make sure you subscribe. We invite you to watch all our vintage recipe videos, from our Eating Like a President series to browsing vintage cookbooks.